Who's this?
I don't know.
Hi, Nando.
Hello.
Where are you from?
The Philippines.
From the Philippines?
Liar.
You're not from the Philippines, right?
Yeah.
You're liar.
You're liar daw.
I'm from Singapore.
You're from
Why
Singapore.
you said that you're from the Philippines, but no.
Huwag ka magalit.
I don't know what the... Oh my god.
What is this?
Where are you from? She said, where are you from?
Where are you from?
Singapore.
Singapore?
You're lying again. We're in me, yeah.
Ano?
When
When you grow up,
you grow up, yeah.
where do you live?
Afghanistan.
Canada?
Afghanistan.
Afghanistan. Oh, Afghanistan. Cubao?
Yeah.
Oh. Actually, I'm from New York.
You're
New
from
York,
what?
Cubao. You know New York, Cubao?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's very, very near, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. How old are you?
25.
Oh, same kayo ni Queen Dora.
He's lying. 25 na ako.
That is 21. Queen, QD, 21 ka, diba?
Secret, sinabi ko na sa'yo talaga.
Te, 21 ka talaga, te.
Hindi.
20.
Wala ka. How old are you, Nande?
25.
Can you please answer seriously?
25.
I hate that.
Ma, bakit mo inaaway, ma?
Wala lang, gusto ko lang.
Magjawa ba kayo?
Hindi oh. Nandigaw siya.
That's vice president. You're the vice president of the Philippines?
Yeah, I am.
Bagong peli pay nay bay game kay. Savity hits immediate in Segaway. Kaibigan kaya kaibigan kaya in day day. You know that say. You know that say.
Nando, can you do it? Can you do that?
I don't know because I don't know if
Or
that's
you can, what do you call that? You punch
Punch your face.
your hand, then, put it in your left side heart, put in your heart, and then right, and
So you-
then in
So if I go to the Philippines, I'm tapped in over there or what?
naon sa mga gabsok na mga urulay na kam sa balay.
Yatay naman ni Diwada do. Yawa.
Nang mga turog na kam kay gabsok na naman ang ginhimo mo.
Pagdali dong kay
Mga
Duli.
turog na.
Wait, so like
Nando.
I'm tapped in. So if I go over there, like I'll be good.
Nando,
Yeah.
are you single?
no,
Yeah.
he is not a single.
Are you single? Oh, have you been there? Have you been? Have
You're
you?
not a single, right?
So what?
You're a taken, right?
Are you taking Nando or no?
Nah.
He's lying.
Nando, please answer the question directly and correctly. Are you a single or a taken?
He have a sneaky link.
Ano?
What's a sneaky link? I don't know what
Sneaky
that
link,
is.
it means you are with like girl fling.
What? What the?
You have a special someone, but you're a single. I'ma
What?
wait or I'ma live.
Right, mommy?
Wait, so if I go to the Philippines, I'm tapped in or not?
Are you half a Filipino? Half sheet
Yeah.
of paper or half bulldog? What?
Hapsilog.
Half silog.
So if I go over there, I'll be good.
Yeah. If you're gonna go here, I will tour you. I will go to Naiya Terminal 3. And then I will pick up you with the Land Cruiser and my bodyguards. You like it?
Everything free or what?
Yes. Then we can go to Malacanang. Charis. Yeah. I will show you the word. I will show to the public that you are mine.
Then I'm what?
You are mine.
What do you mean I'm yours?
Because you are mine now.
What do you mean I'm yours?
Wala, desisyon ako. Why not, right? Are you single, diba?
Yes, I'm cool.
毕上高兴西上
Huh?
Hanger.
Are you half Filipino?
Yeah.
Okay. Doon ako mag-Bisaya, mag-Tagalog.
Dili siya makasabot day. Niya na.
Nadimonyo ka, totoo? Dili ka makasabot? O nakasabot ka?
Dili.
Upay-upay agad, ha? Upay-upaya. Nakasabot ka Bisaya o dili?
English lang.
Ay, sorry. Did you know? Did you know how to Tagalog, English? What is your preference language?
Spanish.
Spanish latte or Spanish bread?
Mondo, why you always lying at me?
I speak Spanish, cuz. Who's this?
Eh, naman yan, te.
Oh.
Why you always lying at me, Nando?
Bro, why did bro take a screenshot? That's a little weird.
Hey, cutie.
Oh, hell no, I'm gone. I'll see y'all later.
May maturog ka na daw.
I speak Spanish, cuz. I don't speak Portuguese.
I need to go.
Screenshot.
I need to sleep.
Yeah, we need to sleep na.
Because already
I'm scared. These people
yeah,
taking pictures like they
it's
taking
3:11 here.
Can you do it?
Nando, look. It's already 3.
Yeah, it's
That's
already
one for me.
3:11 a.m.
Ganda mo dyan.
What time is it?
It's time to go with my sneaky link.
No, you have a. As Nick. Yes! Don't lying at me. I know.
Palabra.
No, it is true, right?
What?
Ay, so ka man na.
You're laughing at me. Why is someone that is Zidler? I need to go. I'm so sorry, Nando, but this is the last I'm talking to you because you're lying at me a lot. You're always lying at me.
Huh?
Hanger.
What?
Yata yawa.